What's up, guys, and welcome back to another installment of Motovation 3. We motovlog and basically talk about everything motorcycles and occasional Camaro content. Look at that beautiful thing. But we got a surprise today, guys. Well, really it's kind of a surprise to me, but anyway, Fiancee is going to let me ride the 2019 Honda Grom. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, we're going to hit you with a little cold start on the Honda Grom here. Show you how mean this thing sounds. Listen to that thing purr. Oh, it is what it is. 125 cc's of raw power, that's what it is. But don't get it twisted, man. These little motorcycles are extremely fun and extremely agile. I had a chance to ride it while we was up at the Tail of the Dragon, and let me tell you, I had just as much fun on this thing as I did on a sport bike. I did lose a lot of footage. I had a SD card format error, but it's all good. I got most of the footage, but we'll make another trip up there here pretty soon anyway, and we'll get you some more. But anyway, guys, we're gonna head off on this little Honda Grom. As soon as it warms up, this thing's got a weird idle. I think that's probably good enough. All right. It's got 467 miles on this thing. About time for a service on this thing. The rain's let off just a little bit, so we're gonna get to ride just a little. Here comes me a cruiser's coming down there, and wonder if I can outrun them. They ain't gonna wave. They're gonna be assholes. It's all good. Oh, this thing is weird. It's fun though. Alright guys, let's talk a little bit about what I was talking about in the last vlog. About the Honda Grom build that we plan on doing. I got the Fiancee to kind of compromise on the color of what she wants to wrap this thing. And she's not going to do teal anymore. We're just going to go down here and ride. But she's not going to do teal anymore. This thing revs out fast. But she's going to do like the standard color of the blue on the Groms for this year. We found a wrap online. It's fairly inexpensive. I've never wrapped a bike. She's never wrapped anything. So we probably got a little more than we probably needed. But we'll probably mess up a few times, and you get to learn with us if you've never done it. That's just one thing we're going to be doing. And I'm going to try and talk her into getting rid of these Mickey Mouse ear mirrors on this thing, put some bar ends on it. And I think that'll make it look a lot better. And some flush mounts down here. I don't know why these bike manufacturers put out these, I think it's a regulation in some states where they have to be so many inches apart. I don't know, but those things just stick out there, those blinkers there. So we're gonna change them up too, and obviously we're gonna put a fender eliminator on it, and I want to do the integrated taillight also, and probably get it from TST Industries. But the thing is, the way the TPS sensor is, or the tip over sensor, is mounted on the rear end of this little motorcycle, we'd end up having to get a relocation kit that comes with it, and an undertail also, which would look good. I mean, I looked online and I watched a couple of videos of it, and they actually, you know, they clean up the rear end on this little thing really nice. So that's just a little bit of what we want to do. And it's got the red brake calipers. I don't know how that's going to look with the blue, so maybe we can find some black brake calipers to kind of like tone it down a little bit when we do that. But we'll see. There's a lot of things you can do to these little guys. You can do a big bore kit, which I don't think she's into that, which I would be into it because it'll give it a little bit more spunk. Help me be able to pop this thing up. But yeah, like I said, she's not into all of that. And as far as the exhaust on this thing, the way it's built, I don't believe you can do anything but a full exhaust on it, and I'm not sure if you would have to get a tune on it. Probably not, I would think, because it's got the box on it, and on the stock exhaust, but I mean, it's basically just a mid pipe all the way to the header, really. Or, you know, the header is everything, but and then just an exhaust out the back, which is just a little too quiet. But then again, it is a little scooter, literally a scooter to me, so it ain't supposed to be loud. But I just think it would be cool to kind of beef this little thing up and make it sound a little better. Oh, what you doing, car? Oh yeah. I'm just riding around the neighborhood. Don't want to get way too far from the house. It's supposed to rain again, and hell, I don't want to get soaking wet. But if I do, I do. Like I said, I'm not too far off. Oh, this is my neighborhood, and I really don't even know where I'm at. It's pretty bad, ain't it? Yeah, I know where I'm at. Y'all see how fast that thing red lines? If you ever get a chance to get one of these little things or ride one, I would suggest just go ahead and do it. I mean, it's not really a starter bike, it's just a little fun bike. It is a blast. This thing, I think it would be fun to put some a little bit more aggressive tires on it and take it trail riding or something too. Although I don't know how much power it would have to get up maybe the hills and things like that. I'm so used to that quick shifter on my bike, I almost forget that I gotta pull the clutch in just to change gears on this thing. But yeah, that's where we're at, guys. We're gonna try and wait till everything kind of comes in, because I don't want to keep taking it apart and putting it back together, especially if we wrap it. I don't want to be trying to take it back apart, you know, to put pieces on it if that vinyl comes in first. And of course, she's going to want to ride anyway, so I don't want to have her down too long, you know, as far as waiting on stuff to put on this little Grom. Dog was barking at me. What do you know? What is that about dogs and motorcycles? Why do they have to bark at them and chase them? It's so funny to me. Like they just hate motorcycles. They're like old people, I guess. And no offense, old people, but you guys do hate motorcycles. You think we're all hooligans and we're out to pop wheelies and stuff like that on the street all day and do 160 miles per hour on the back roads. But that's just not the way it is, guys. Not for me anyway. You know, there are some out there. That's a pretty color on that car. It says slow through here, but I have no choice but to go slow. Yeah, with this thing being so little, man, that thing just turns on a dime, guys. I mean, you can hit these turns going quick, and not even have to really worry about it. I mean, these things are agile. I know I said it right now, and I say it again. These things are agile. I think I'm going to take it out on the interstate. No. You can't take this thing out on the interstate. It don't do but about 60 miles per hour with a tailwind going downhill. But I did see a video today with a guy doing 70 on one. I think he may have been going downhill. Hell, it might have been 70 kilometers, but it looked like it was miles per hour, as you know, as far as the speed. You know, you could see how far, really, how things were passing him as he was going by. But yeah, guys. Oh, that sky looks bad over there. I'm gonna go down there anyway. I don't care. All this rain, ain't nobody getting a ride. At least me. I know it feels a lot cooler today. That's a good thing. This little bit of rain coming through, yeah, it cooled it off a lot. I bet it ain't 85 degrees outside right now, and it's been about 100. So that's a good thing. And I smell some barbecue right now. It smells good too. It's making me hungry. Hungry. Oh, here's this damn red light. We got a car in front of us today. We should be a little better. Maybe not. Why do you stay red so long? I had a Cavalier like that. My first car I ever had was an 87 Cavalier. And it was about that shape. Maybe a little rougher. I don't know, my window wasn't that's not even glass. That's plexiglass window in the back right there. I did have a real glass back window, and it wasn't siliconed in. There we go. But I love that car. You know, you're 16 years old, you love any car, really. And I paid for it myself. And the whole the passenger side of that car was completely demolished. But it drove straight. It didn't burn no oil. It didn't wear tires weird or anything like that. And it was still in good shape as far as driving wise when I got rid of it. I got rid of it for a 89 Cavalier, actually, 2-door, like fire red. I love that car. Had no power steering. It was a beast to try and turn, but man, I love that car. I thought it was a sports car back then. To me, it was. You know, like I said, when you're 16, 17 years old and you get a car like that and it has a spoiler on the back of it and got some mag wheels, hell, it's a sports car to you. But it was far from a sports car. But you know, since then, my taste in cars got a little better, I think, anyway. Still a little redneck, but you know, whatever. But anyway, guys, I'm going to go ahead and enjoy this little ride. I'm going to cut this vlog short here. If you like this content, man, hit that little subscribe button down there. You see that little circle down there? It says Motovlog 3. Go ahead and click it, man. But and hit that bell notification. Let you know when we do it, as soon as we post them videos. That way you can be the first to come down there and comment and tell us Oh, this video sucks ass, guys. But anyway, guys, till next time, peace.
Whoa, 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 yeah, we are in the place to be, yeah, 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 yeah.